My money makes money. This is a money tip. This is a money tip. What is income? Okay, I got a definition here. I'm going to read it. Say for households and individual, income is a sum of all wages, salaries, profits, interest payments, rents, and other forms of earnings received in a given period of time. Of course, I also include investments. You know what? Income to me is what I receive after I pay all my bills, all my expenses. That's my income because that is what I actually receive. Not my allotments for Netflix, not things I have tied up, but the actual living expenses. Like once I pay my rent or mortgage, once I pay my grocery bill from Whole Dollars, Whole Paycheck, Whole Foods. Once I pay all of my utilities, what is my income? What do I actually receive before investments, before savings? That is what I believe income is. Maybe you have another definition. Maybe you go with the dictionary definition, but that is what I call income because at the end of the day, once I pay for my living expenses as well as what I need to actually survive, like food and water, how much money do I have left over to save, invest, and maybe go on a trip? So that's a money tip. Learn money and be inspired. What is income to you? Leave in the description below. Share, save, and subscribe. That way we all get the information and we all have critical thinking about pertinent conversations and talks about my money makes money. I'm out.